Myself, Dr. Sushil Chandra. I have done my BTech in electronics, MTech in bioinstrumentation, and PhD in cognitive science. That means truly multidisciplinary by education. I have got an experience of 37 years of research and development in the organization known as Defense Research and Development Organization. And that is mainly in the field of cognitive assessment and enhancement of soldiers. School of Psychology and Education, which is known as SCOPE, has got a unique blend of three basic points, which is experimental, elemental, and experiential. I'll explain, for example, in case of elemental, we are trying to cover even the course design from Vedic literature. In case of experimental, students are fully exposed to not only behavioral test battery and cognitive test battery, they are even exposed to the neural recordings. That means including EEG part. As far as the experiential is concerned, we have got in our lab a setup related to virtual reality in which they design the experiment. They don't only design the experiment, they design accordingly the virtual environment based on which they calculate and monitor the data analytics part of EEG also. Yeah, as far as technology is concerned, because as I told, we are evaluating based on virtual reality and experiment is designed based on virtual reality, augmented reality and mixed reality. That means the latest part of metaverse is included in that. Once we are recording the data based on EEG, that means the neurotechnology is an integrated part of our learning. Third part, once the data is recorded and we try to analyze the data, so that means even AI algorithms are an integral part of the system. So technology is encapsulated, whether we talk about AI part, whether we talk about metaverse part, or whether we talk about data analytics based on AI. I think now neuroscience is an integral part of our life. The way technology, I'll quote only three, whether it is artificial intelligence, metaverse or robotics. The way they are impacting in our life, in fact, artificial intelligence is actually momentarily changing our even human intelligence part also. The same way is metaverse. The time has come whether we are in virtual world or in the real world. So that also impact even our neural pattern. As far as robotics is concerned, we have started using it very frequently, but it has started impacting our thinking ability, whether it is decision making, whether it is planning. So all these things which are impacted can be evaluated with the help of neuroscience wonderfully. I think this is the only discipline in which we have got multiple factors. First, the person can feel it on himself or herself. Two, he can actually impact the society. Three, because now the technology has become so cost effective as well as user friendly, so that you can actually evaluate the real time performance. What I mean is that if the person wants to evaluate and improve his or her performance, incorporate also is a possibility. So because of COVID, we have started emphasizing now mental health issues also. So there is a huge scope for the students, especially of psychology related, after the introduction, especially related to artificial intelligence. Thank you.